Hello. Let me guess, you are watching this video because you are interested in learning how to use C# databases for desktop apps. Well, let me tell you that you are only a click away from learning just that. I created this course with a C# beginner in mind, someone who knows the basic C# concepts and knows his way around loops, conditional statements, arrays, and very basics of object-oriented programming, but never really had a chance to incorporate any of it with a relational database project. Now, if that describes you, then this course is definitely for you. For this course, I decided to use a Microsoft Access database, as that is a common database small businesses use around the world. Now, full disclosure, we won't be creating any earth-shattering application, and there will be a lot of room for improving our code. What we are going to be doing, however, is learning how to use C# with Microsoft Access, and we'll use a simple but fairly common scenarios. The goal of this course is threefold. First is to show you how things work. Second, help you understand how things work under the hood. And third, to drill the basics so that they become a second nature to you. This course concentrates solely on using Access database with C#. We will use Windows Forms as the user interface, and will use form events to code the application logic to. This way, we won't get distracted with a million other little things that come into play for truly well-designed commercial apps. Like I said, the goal here is to learn the basics and to retain the knowledge. From my experience, from the beginner's point of view, nothing is worse than taking a course to learn the basics, only to suddenly be introduced to dozens of advanced real-world concepts that completely derail you from learning what you came here to learn in the first place. What good is it for a beginner to watch someone build professional-grade app when 3/4 of the stuff presented just goes right over your head? Not in this course. However, with that being said, if you go through this course and if you code along, I'm absolutely sure that at the end you will have great foundation to build on, and you will be able to move to more sophisticated applications and coding styles. So, if you are ready to learn to use C# databases, just please watch the next video that explains in more details what we will be creating in this course and how the course is structured, and also feel free to check out the dozens of sample videos I make available for free viewing. And then I will see you in the course.